We are going to look at another example in this video. So we are going to follow the 6 steps. Step 1, we want to make sure that all equations are in standard form, which they are. And then we want to label the 3 equations. You probably already noticed that some of the equations are missing a variable. The equation A is missing variable z, and equation B is missing variable x. But no worries, we are going to focus on the variable that they do have in common. So let's say I pick the equations A and B. The variable that they have in common is the variable y, and that's what I am going to try to eliminate. When you write equations that are missing variables, make sure that you still line up the like variables together. It is very important that you do this because when you add them, it'll be so much easier. So to eliminate the variable y, I will only need the first coefficient to be negative 2. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 2. So that will become negative 4x minus 2y is equal to positive 6. And then we'll copy down the second equation. Now we can add the 2 equations. Negative 2y plus 2y, that gives you 0. So we're left with negative 4x plus 16z is equal to negative 4. Now we're supposed to pick 2 other equations to eliminate variable y as well. So let's say I want to pick variable a and c. That's 2x plus y is equal to negative 3. And negative 7x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 8. To eliminate y, I just need to multiply the first equation by 3. So that will become 6x plus 3y is equal to negative 9. I'm going to leave a little space for the z, so negative 9 here. And the second equation, we'll just copy it down. Now we add the 2 equations. 3y minus 3y cancel. 6x minus 7x, that's negative 1x, plus 4z, and then negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. Now we are gathering the 2 xz equations that we formed in the second and third step, and we'll solve the system. So let's say I want to eliminate variable x. I just need to make one of them to be negative 4 and the other one to be positive 4. So I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative 4 because that will give me positive 4 for x. So this will be negative 4x plus 16z is equal to negative 4. That equation stayed the same. The second equation will become positive 4x minus 16z is equal to positive 4. Now we're adding the 2 equations. So the variable x is eliminated, which is great. But variable z is also eliminated. So that gives us 0 on the left side. And the constant are also eliminated. So it also gives us 0. So when you get a true statement like this, 0 is equal to 0, you can claim that there are infinitely many solutions. Simply because it doesn't matter what x, y, and z are, they are going to be eliminated, and you're left with a true statement, 0 is equal to 0. In cases like this, a general solution can be written where one variable will be kept the same, and then the other 2 variables can be written in terms of that first variable.